Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. In today's video, we'll be going in the laundry room to show you how to organize that space for maximum efficiency. Now, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I am so excited to take you in that laundry room today. And if you are as excited as I am, then let's get started. Come with me. Quick reminder, if you have not already done so, press that subscribe button below for weekly organizational videos. And if you press that bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. What are you waiting for? Press that button right now. Welcome to our laundry room. This is a space here in our home that I spend a lot of time in each week, and I'll show you every corner here, how I've organized the space for maximum efficiency. This is just an overview of what the laundry room looks like. We'll go through each cupboard in just a few more minutes. First cupboard has the decorative Christmas plates, kitchen towels for the different seasons. Cupboard number 2 has suntan lotion or sunscreen lotion, disinfectant wipes, shoe guards for workmen when they come if they don't have their own shoe guards, glue guns, and flashlights. This container says 2 of 2, which means that there are 2 different containers here with flashlights in the laundry room. Cupboard number 3 is where we have some cleaning products, light bulbs, 2 containers of light bulbs, and the irons are behind these cleaning products. Cupboard number 4 has miscellaneous items at the bottom, then mask, then repellents at the top. Cupboard number 5 has mask here, miscellaneous items again, flashlights, 1 of 2, which means that there are 2 containers with flashlights. That's number 1 of 2. And this number 6 has the hair products, hand wipes. Now on the counter here, before we do the counters, let's do another cupboard here. 2 more cupboards there. Let's just do those. So this bottom cupboard has plant food and leaf shine for the leaves when we clean the plants here in the house. So this cupboard has, a very small cupboard, has those supplies. The very last cupboard has a pull-out drawer that we keep like dish towels, dirty dish towels in, that when we have a full load we can wash all the dish towels for the kitchen in here. Or then we have extra supplies of laundry products under the sink here. So we've done all the cabinets, both upper and lower, and now we're going to do the general space. Because it's a laundry room doesn't mean that it has to be boring. So I've had all inexpensive pieces of artwork, from old tennis rackets, even has a mirror in here. Of course, you need to check yourself when you're in the laundry room. Then on this counter here, I have a Lazy Susan or turntable that has some of the laundry products. This makes it really easy when I'm doing the laundry. Everything is right here, and so I can just spin it and take whatever I need, whether it's the pods or the freshener or whatever it is. There are lotions in here as well. I do have decorative plates, little floral arrangements, pictures, an exercise schedule I keep in here, a little command center. I can take notes or I can check my schedule for the 2 gyms that I frequent. And this is an overview of our laundry room, how I've organized it. For maximum efficiency. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to organize your laundry space in your home. Again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.